The Butterfly Place in Westford, Massachusetts invited us to breathe new life into their old pond, and we couldn't be more excited to take on this unique project. In this first video of the series, we're diving into the planning process as we figure out the best game plan to make their vision a reality. Stick around to watch how it all comes together. We hope you enjoy the journey.
What's up, guys? We are here in Westford, Massachusetts at the one and only Butterfly Place. This is one of the first 4 butterfly habitats, enclosures that you could go visit in the country, actually. It's been around a very long time, and we are in the process of rebuilding their water feature for them. So there's gonna be an absolutely gorgeous ecosystem pond inside. It's December. Today is our first day of bringing materials and kind of getting a lay of the land. We're gonna start bringing our materials in and staging it. And then in January, we're gonna come back and actually build this pond. Today we brought bucketized gravel with us. This is all the different size pond gravel that we're going to be using in some handy dandy buckets so we can get it in and out of the building. We also have all of our components for filtration. We've got our skimmer, our biological waterfall filter, the pump, the plumbing, our liner, our protective fabric, all the nuts and bolts, everything we need to make this project happen. Right now, we're bringing everything in through the front door into the butterfly enclosure. There are no butterflies currently because they had to take the entire roof off the building. So the rest of the butterflies went to another facility, but there are going to be different birds, quail, butterflies, and things living in this environment once the pond's done. But for today, we have in and out access and we don't have to worry about the butterflies escaping. So if you guys have been here, it's going to look a lot different right now, but this is the gorgeous Butterfly Place. They just replaced the entire roof, all the panels. So all of these plants that are tropical were exposed to the freezing temperatures and they died back, most of them anyways. So it's a lot less lush than you remember seeing, and there's not hundreds or thousands of butterflies flying around all over the place, but it's gonna get back to that point pretty quickly, actually. So this is the former pond. It sprung a leak, kind of a maintenance nightmare for everybody, and they are ready for a big upgrade. They want something super beautiful, very natural, and something that'll be a focal point or centerpiece of the garden. So this pond you see right now is gonna go. We'll be ripping all of this out and putting in an 11 by 13 ecosystem pond with a beautiful waterfall and little stream section, and it's gonna be awesome. So this is gonna be something that draws a lot of attention from the guests, and the butterflies are gonna love having a place to drink all day.
So today's rock delivery day, guys, as you can see. You might be wondering where we put them. Let me show you. So inside of our butterfly sanctuary here, we have all of our rocks, 6 tons assorted by size. We wanted to get a head start on this so that our rocks didn't get covered in snow and frozen to the ground. So we have very limited access in here. There's 3 doorways we have to go through, and the smallest one is 35 inches. So we couldn't even get a ball cart in here. We had to bring all these rocks in here with wheelbarrows. Our biggest rocks are 24 inches and they go all the way down to about 8. Here in New England, we get a lot of snow in the winter, and we typically don't have the opportunity to do anything over the winter. So we're super excited to get a head start on this and start the demo in a few weeks.